So today we are going to talk about IAM user groups. Okay. So what is the use of groups? So it collection of IAM users. So and we are managing easily. So mostly in your organizations, they will not give a permissions individually. They'll create a group and they're assigning a permissions with policies to the group. And when we are creating a user, our existing users will be moved to the group and managing them. And so groups are very easy to manage your permissions for users. So instead of you are creating individual users and assigning a policies, that's very tough job. Okay. And when we are assigning a policies to the groups, it will inherit it to all the users in that group. Example, I created a group and assigned a policy called full administrator of EC2 services. That is a policy assigned to the group. And I added 20 members in that group. So what are the policy we assign for the group, the entire group will be affected. That means the policy will be inherited to the childs. So that means who are the child means example users. Groups cannot be nested. Do you know what is meaning of nested? Any idea? ఎక్కడున్నావు
హలో
ఎక్కడున్నావు
యోగా
ఇంకా ఎంతసేపా నేను లాక్ చేసుకొని తాళం తీసుకెళ్ళా నువ్వు
అవును ఆ తాళం కనిపించలేదు నీకు పెంట్ హౌస్ తాళం ఉంది కదా తీసుకో
నేను పెంట్ హౌస్ తాళం తీసుకొచ్చిన ఇంటికి తాళం వేయాలి కదా నేను కింద వేయకుండా వచ్చిన
వస్తున్నా
పైకి
నేను వస్తున్నాను లైఫ్ లైన్
సరే సరే ఓకే కంటిన్యూ ఓకే యా నరేష్ టెల్ మీ okay, nested group is nothing but I created group and added some users, and inside that group we have again some groups we are creating. So mostly this type of scenarios we will use in AD, but the group is member of another group, that is called nested. Understood? Those type of topology is not available in AWS. Understood? So only users is part of the group. Only one group contains many users. That's it. No groups is not member of any other groups like that. Understood? So if any group is member of another group, we call as nested groups. So those type of topologies we never use. Basically, nested groups are very weird technology. It will create a big problem for you. Even in Windows, so nested groups will be creating more issues in Windows grouping management. So you can go to articles in YouTube and Google and you can read something. So nested groups are very, very weird. Even Citrix or might be VMware technology or Windows or Linux, wherever the nested groups nowadays, the companies are completely restricting that. That's true. Some policies are working, some policies are not working. So they have so much of issues are coming there. So a couple of years back, I had an issue with the nested groups in Citrix area. Okay, that's one of the example for you. And IAM user can be member of groups. So example, I'm one user. I have a 10 users in AWS IAM. There are 10 groups are there, but I can member of all the 10 groups. I don't have any problem. Understood? I have a EC2 admin group. We have a S3 admin group. We have another admin group. So I can be part of multiple groups. I have a multiple groups. So these are the main information about groups. So we'll go to the lab and we'll create a groups and we're managing the users. First of all, example, let's log into the IAM service. Let's log into IAM service. At present, how many users? There is no user, right? I'll create users. Okay. I want to give one more information. We are creating individually one user, right? At a time we can create a 10 users. Even at a time create a 10 users. That's the limit of here. So I'll create first a user 1, second user name is user 2 and user 3. And there are 3 users I created. And I'm providing both the all the 3 users programmatic access, AWS management access. And custom password is Amazon @123, and I'm not changing the password. Keep on. I'm unchecking this option. Next permission. I'm not managing any permissions here. I'm just click on next review and creating a user. Okay, understood. Now the users are created. Users are created. In one step, I created 3 users. Do you have any questions here? No? Let's move to how to create a groups. This is the first groups is there in the left side. Go here and create a group. And what is a group I want to create? Example, EC2 admin. EC2 admin group. EC2 admin group. Might be EC2 full admin group. EC2 full admin group. This is the group name I created. When I click on next, do you want to attach any policies? Yes. What policy we need to attach here? EC2? No, EC2, sir. EC2 full access. EC2 full access. Click next. That's it. Create a group. Now group is created. The group, what is the permission? EC2 full access. Full access permission it is there. Now, do you have any users is part of this group? Do you have any users is part of this group? No, right? So what we need to do? We need to add a users to the group. Select the group and open the group. At present, we don't have any users. And what we need to do? And we have to add users. And these are the users list. And I just assigned add users. That's it. Very simple method. Now I can go back to the groups, and now this group has there are 3 members. Now I can go to check users. Check this user 1. User is part of EC2 full access. But this EC2 full access is managed with what is the group name? The policy managed with a group name called EC2 full admin group. You can easily find out the model. Now we want to test this configuration. Now we want to check that. Copy, paste here. User 1. I'm logging here. Successfully logged into user 1 account. Go to EC2. Now I'm switched to Mumbai location. Instances. Create instance. Next, 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 next. see, I'm successfully able to launch my Windows instance. So because I have a full admin access for EC2 service, because I'm the member of EC2 full admin group. Any questions? No? I'm going to create another group. What is the group name called? S3 full admin group. Click on next and select S3 full access. Next, create a group. Okay. So can we add this group to another group? It is possible. Can we add this group to this group? It is possible. The user 1, 2, 3 is currently available in this group. Can we add this group to this? Yes, we cannot. So because the nested groups are not allowing here. Okay. Another scenario, can we add user 1, 2, 3 into the S3 full admin group? It is possible. So the users can join to multiple groups by add users 1, 2, 3, add users. That's it. User is now part of EC2 full admin access group, S3 full admin group, both have access. Understood? Now, so what is meaning of roles? What is meaning of roles? So now I think you don't have any questions in IAM groups.